What if I told you that most people don't fail because they lack talent, luck, or opportunity, but because they never decide clearly where they're going? Jim Rohn once said, "If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan." Right now, your future is quietly being shaped by the goals you set or the goals you avoid. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how clear goals can completely change the direction of your life, your income, and your confidence. Stay with me until the end, because the final insight might be the one that changes everything for you. 1. Why goals matter. Jim Rohn's philosophy. Jim Rohn often remarked that the major reason for setting a goal is for what it makes of you to accomplish it. This shifts the focus from the material acquisition to the internal transformation. Most people spend their lives reacting to the urgent demands of others, emails, bills, and social pressures, rather than responding to the important call of their own potential. Without a defined set of goals, you are essentially a ship without a rudder, at the mercy of the winds and tides of the global economy and personal whims. Rohn's philosophy posits that life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. And change begins with a decision to steer toward a specific destination. The psychological weight of drifting is immense. When you lack direction, your brain enters a state of perpetual fight or flight, because every decision feels equally weighted. Should you take that job? Should you move cities? Should you learn a new skill? Without a goal, these choices are paralyzing. Jim Rohn taught that goals act as a mental filter, allowing you to discard opportunities that don't serve your ultimate vision. This economy of energy is what separates the high achiever from the perpetually busy. Effort without a goal is merely activity. Effort with a goal is progress. The multiplier effect occurs when your daily habits align with your long-term vision, creating a synergistic momentum that carries you through the inevitable winters of life. Furthermore, Rohn's philosophy emphasizes the pull of the future. He believed that if the why is powerful enough, the how becomes easy. Many people struggle with motivation because their goals are too small to inspire them. They have goals to pay the bills or get by, which provide no magnetic pull. Rohn encouraged the development of a list of reasons. These reasons are the fuel. When you have a massive, compelling reason to reach a destination, you will find the way, invent the tools, and endure the hardships. Goals matter because they provide the tension between where you are and where you want to be, a tension that is necessary for any form of growth or movement. 2. Clarity is power. The hallmark of Jim Rohn's strategy was the elimination of ambiguity. Vague desires like, "I want more money," are effectively meaningless to the subconscious mind. If someone handed you a single dollar, you would technically have more money, yet the desire would remain unfulfilled because it lacked a boundary. Rohn taught that clarity is the precursor to mastery. To say, "I want to earn $100,000 annually by December 31st of next year through providing exceptional value in the real estate market," is a clear command. This level of specificity provides the brain with a target it can actually see. When the target is visible, the reticular activating system in the brain begins to highlight resources and opportunities that were previously invisible. Clarity also serves as a protective barrier against the thieves of time. Distractions are only attractive when you don't have a clear alternative. When you know exactly what you're building, a distraction isn't just a diversion, it's an interruption of a mission. This makes it significantly easier to say no to social invitations or business opportunities that do not align with your blueprint. Rohn believed that the more detailed your plan, the less likely you are to be swayed by the opinions of others. You become a person of conviction rather than a person of convenience. This mental sharpness is what allows an individual to navigate a complex, noisy world with surgical precision. Ultimately, turning dreams into plans requires a transition from the abstract to the concrete. This involves breaking down the what into the when and the how much. Rohn often suggested making a list of everything you want, no matter how small or large, and then categorizing them by time: 1-year goals, 3-year goals, 5-year goals, and 10-year goals. By assigning a time frame, you introduce a sense of urgency. You move from the someday island to the today reality. This clarity doesn't just sharpen focus, it builds a reservoir of internal motivation that is independent of external circumstances. You become the architect of your life rather than just a tenant living in a structure built by someone else. 3. Goals shape who you become. Perhaps the most profound aspect of Jim Rohn's teaching is the idea that the prize is not the trophy, but the person holding it. He famously said, "Set a goal to become a millionaire, not for the $1 million, but for what it will make of you to achieve it." This perspective reframes the entire process of success. To reach a high-level goal, you are forced to shed old, limiting habits and adopt new, empowering ones. You must develop discipline you didn't think you had, a level of persistence that defies common sense, and a character that can withstand the pressures of responsibility. The goal is merely a catalyst for human evolution. When you pursue a challenging objective, you are essentially putting yourself through a self-imposed boot camp. You learn how to manage your time, how to communicate with others, and how to master your emotions. Even if an external factor, like a market crash or a personal setback, takes away the material result of your goal, they cannot take away the skills and the character you developed. You are now a $1 million person in terms of your capability, and a person with those traits can rebuild from scratch. This realization removes the fear of failure. If the goal is growth, then every attempt, successful or not, is a gain in experience and strength. This internal growth creates a sense of self-worth that cannot be purchased. Confidence is the result of keeping the promises you make to yourself. Every time you move a step closer to a goal through disciplined effort, your self-esteem increases. You begin to trust your own word. Rohn taught that this pull toward excellence is what gives life its flavor. It makes you a more interesting person, a more capable leader, and a more resilient human being. The pursuit of goals pulls your latent talents to the surface. It forces you to ask more of yourself than anyone else would dare to ask, and in doing so, you discover the true depth of your potential. 4. Written goals create commitment. There is a mystical yet practical power in the act of writing. Jim Rohn was a staunch advocate for the journaling of goals. He believed that the act of moving a thought from the ethereal realm of the mind onto a physical piece of paper was the first act of creation. A goal that exists only in your head is a wish. It is subject to the whims of mood and memory. Once it is written down, it becomes a contract. It is a tangible reminder of your commitment to yourself. The ink on the page acts as an anchor, preventing your dreams from drifting away when the initial excitement wears off. Writing your goals also forces a level of linguistic precision. You cannot write a vague thought easily. The pen demands clarity. As you write, you refine. You might start with, "I want to be healthy," and end with, "I will weigh 175 pounds and run a 5K in under 25 minutes." This process of refinement is where the commitment is truly forged. Rohn encouraged his students to keep their written goals in a place where they could be seen daily. This constant visual reinforcement keeps the why at the forefront of the mind. It serves as a North Star, guiding you through the fog of daily tasks and keeping you accountable to your long-term vision. The accountability provided by written goals is what leads to achievement. Rohn noted that what gets revisited gets achieved. By looking at your written list every morning and every night, you are programming your subconscious mind to look for solutions. You begin to notice books, people, and events that can help you reach those specific targets. It creates a psychological closing of the gap. The brain dislikes the dissonance between the written goal on the paper and the current reality. and it will work tirelessly to resolve that tension. Writing is not just a recording of a plan, it is the ignition switch for the entire engine of success. 5. Daily action turns goals into reality. The final pillar of Jim Rohn's philosophy is the necessity of labor. He often said, "Affirmation without discipline is the beginning of delusion." Goals are the blueprint, but daily action is the construction crew. No matter how clear the vision or how strong the commitment, nothing happens until you move. Success is not a sudden event. It is a series of small, seemingly insignificant steps taken consistently over a long period. Rohn called this the miracle of the seed and the soil. You plant the seed, the goal, and then you provide the daily water and sunlight, the action, trusting that the law of harvest will eventually take over. This daily discipline is often uncomfortable. It involves doing the things you know you should do, even when you don't feel like doing them. Rohn taught that there are two types of pain in life: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Discipline weighs ounces, while regret weighs tons. By choosing the daily weight of action, you build a momentum that eventually becomes unstoppable. This is the power of compounding. A 1% improvement every day doesn't just add up, it multiplies. Over a year, those small actions transform you into an entirely different person with an entirely different life. Massive change is rarely the result of a single heroic effort. It is the result of staying the course when the initial motivation has evaporated. Rohn emphasized that motivation is what gets you started, but habit is what keeps you going. By aligning your daily actions with your written goals, you remove the need for constant willpower. Your life becomes an expression of your philosophy. You no longer have to try to be successful. You simply execute the disciplines that lead to success. This alignment of vision, commitment, and action is the ultimate formula for a life of design rather than a life of drift. Jim Rohn's message is simple but powerful. Set clear goals, commit to them, and let them shape your life. You don't need more time, you need more direction. Decide today what you want, write it down, and take one small step forward. Because once your goals are clear, your future has no choice but to follow.